instead. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a McDonald's mukbang for you guys. Now the last time I did one of these was back in August or September, I think it was August. And I just really want to do another one, and you guys flipping loved my last one because everyone at school said that it's really good, so I decided to do another one. And I also filmed some funny footage of the car, so that'll be coming up now. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for 60 subscribers. I really appreciate it. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, we just pulled up at McDonald's and we're at the drive-thru. Like, it's literally New Year's Day and we're at McDonald's. So, love that for us.
Hi! Anything else?
No. Okay.
That's it, thanks.
Thank you. So it's medium fries and then loyalty sort of caramel slurry, caramel latte, honey.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thanks, got best dinner, please.
Funniest thing ever when we come to McDonald's drive-thru is when my dad always says all the best at the end. If you said it to her, obviously get on camera. I'm literally crazy. Nobody, me, chilling with my raspberry lemonade, which is actually paying my out the window and get my food. Because it's 11:30 and the club is jumping. So guys, I'm in my conservatory and my beanie hat in my hair that goes like this, and I kind of like it, like I'm kind of digging it, so I'm going to keep it this way. I'm not going to style it. I prefer it than like my normal hair, like when it goes down. Anyway, now I'm going to eat my chips, and like literally McDonald's chips, like very good. I just got home from McDonald's, and as you guys saw me in the car, then you guys want to see me dive into that song that Saturday Martin and Mum did. Because I'm not really searching to that song ever since. So I put my pen after rather than yeah. My McDonald's chips. Didn't know Christmas bag, even though it's literally flipping New Year's Day. But don't blame them, to be honest. Nice little mukbang setup. I thought I'd do a mukbang with you guys because it's like New Year and like.
Why not have McDonald's on New Year's Day? I mean, come on.
So, tomato ketchup is literally the best sauce. I don't like any other sauce but it. Like, I mean, marinara sauce and TGI is also okay. But I just taste like tomato. But it was no good. I'm gonna have a sip of my lemonade. Why not? This is the Tesco steel glass lemonade with real fruit. I love it so much. You get 1 litre, and just love it. It's so nice. And by the way, if you're wondering where my beanie hat's from, it's from H&M, and this hoodie's from Primark, and then I've got on these H&M like paper bag jeans. I've got my Dumbo socks on, which why not? I got them when we went to Westwood in Primark. They're only £3 for a pack of 5 pairs, which is really good, I feel like. So £3 of socks, and they're really good quality as well. And they're obviously Dumbo, so they're worth the money. You guys know how much I love Dumbo and Disney and stuff. So, yeah. That's raspberry lemonade. Is honestly the best. I loved it. Get yourself down to Tesco. If you love raspberry, if you love lemonade, you'll probably like that. If you don't like lemonade, or you don't like raspberry, probably not going to like it, but I like both of those. Like raspberry, like Tesco and McDonald's just have a place in my heart. Like, I'm always at Tesco. I'm a bit like Anastasia and stuff, I guess, because she's doing though, that's what she's got. Yeah. I really want to do like a family mukbang in the car. Me, John and my mum. Or me, Hannah and my dad. I might do both of them, but like we don't do that. Like Anastasia does them with her mum and her brother Atticus. So I really want to do that. Me go to McDonald's. I was thinking we could do a Taco Bell, but we don't have a Taco Bell anyway. But we do. We have one in Woking, but it's not a drive-through one. It's a like an actual food restaurant outlet thing. So that's a bit annoying. Yeah, we have a McDonald's drive-through literally like 5 minutes up the road in Spain. So yeah. And then literally when I live with my dad, we have a McDonald's at the end of our road. Literally at the end of our road. They could have put them anywhere, and they decided to put one at the end of our road.
Mental.
Literally, if you woke up at 2 a.m. and you went to McDonald's, you'd literally be there like, what, 3 minutes past 2, it's that easy to get there. And then walking will literally take you like, what, 15, 20 minutes, even though I hate walking, but yeah, that's beside the point. But like, McDonald's is just amazing, okay? So anyone hates McDonald's and picks KFC over you, we're not friends anymore. And anyone who picks Burger King over McDonald's, also not friends, because I just really just don't like Burger King for some reason. Like, the chicken nuggets, like, the McDonald's ones are so much better. McDonald's discontinued the mozzarella dippers, which is so annoying of them, because I have to go to TGI's and get them, and like TGI Fridays is always shut because obviously because of like tier 4 and stuff. Well, it's not always shut, but like it's really hard to get to because like trying to save money and not go out and eat in a restaurant. But like if we have to eat in a restaurant, obviously go to TGI is like the first one that's later on the TGI's, and it's so good. I'm gonna miss it though so much. But I think I'm going back in March with my best friend, so I'll just obviously vlog that, and that'll be up probably 2 days after, because I'm going on the 13th of March and then I can use the 14th to edit it, because it'll probably be quite long because I am going to film a lot, because obviously it'll probably be our like birthday shopping vlog, which is going to spend our birthday money. I'm actually going to vlog my birthday as well, because it'll be a Saturday, which is actually really good, because my birthday is not a school day, which means I can like probably going to go to Lakeside. When I went to Milton Keynes, I went to Lakeside the day after, 2 massive shopping centres. Because Milton Keynes is like 2 shopping centres, like a little one and then a massive one. And you've got the Into part, and then you've got the centre MK bit. And we went to both of them. And literally, the centre MK is like literally the size of Lakeside. It's absolutely huge. And then Lakeside again is massive, and it's got 2 levels. Whereas the centre only has 1. That means if Lakeside was put together, it'd literally be the size of what? The whole of Bath Road and Walford. Both my cats are here. Starbury's literally just next to me here. I'm really enjoying talking to you guys because I absolutely love chatting to you guys when like I do mukbangs and stuff.
On average, South Central Ambulance Service receives around 180.
Definitely recommend this lemonade one. It's just amazing, like really good. Last night, because it was like New Year, well, maybe it wasn't New Year, I stayed up until 2 o'clock in the morning. But I was like literally so tired at 2. I literally got to sleep at like what? 2:15, I think. So that was eventful, as you can tell. That's how I spent my New Year. Then I literally on WhatsApp the whole time. Like I didn't even go on any other apps. Well, I did go on Snapchat for like 5 minutes, and then I went on TikTok for like 10 minutes maybe. Instagram maybe like 5 minutes, and then WhatsApp for literally like 3 hours I was on WhatsApp for. I was just messaging my friends, looking at people's statuses. Everyone put Happy New Year. I was replying to them all. Because I love how on WhatsApp you can like text people that you want to text and like you can block people as well. I just block people that are really rude to me and then they can't text me. We have a cat scratch right there and Luna's on it now, so I love that for her. Anyway, guys, how many chips do I have? Oh, quite a lot. Also, before we went to Tesco and it was literally rammed, like, this pack. Like, do not go to Tesco on New Year's Day, my advice. I just literally love this lemonade, but I got it today and this video is literally me talking about my lemonade for however long this video is. I filmed a lot of funny footage in the car, so hopefully you had a bit of a giggle on New Year's Day, because obviously it's 2021 now, we can leave 2020 behind, and like, we don't really want to remember 2020, because we do not stand 2020, like, Miss Corona is like, not that bitch, you know?
Rain, love that for me.
Perks to living near an airport. You can remember about the good months of the year, like January, February, but like February was like the best month of the year, like definitely. But hopefully this year it's going to be really good. Hopefully you enjoy this year, and comment on me New Year's resolutions. Mine is to have like clearer skin, lose a bit of weight, because I gained so much weight in like first lockdown. The first lockdown was almost a year ago. The first lockdown started 10 months ago.
And it's my birthday at the end of next month. What?
2020 has gone so quick, like, I can't keep up. Like, I swear to God, it's going to be like 2022 in like, what? Literally feel like 5 minutes. So, yeah, it literally feels like yesterday was the start of 2020, and now it's 2021. What? Like, I just feel like it's a new decade again. Like, last year was like not that special as this year. This year we were trying to like obviously prepare for the new year and try and get COVID away from us. But I think it will probably stay for like the spring maybe or summer. Hopefully it will be gone by December next year, because then we can go to like New Year's Eve parties and like Christmas parties, and hopefully it is over by then. Please, I hope it's over. I wonder how long we're going to stay in tier 4 for though, because I feel like we're going to stay in tier 4 for like maybe until March maybe, I don't know. I don't know when Boris is announcing the next tier system thing. So he announced some on Wednesday, and like Nottinghamshire went in to tier 4 now, and it's going up north in tier 4 now. Liverpool have done well to stay in tier 2. I don't know how to understand how the New Forest is in tier 3, because obviously it's quite small. But anyway, I'm going to stop rambling now, because that is the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you do, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And Happy New Year to everyone watching this video right now. I hope you have an amazing year, and I hope you had an amazing 2020 despite the conditions going on with like COVID-19 and stuff. But I really hope you guys enjoyed your year and enjoy this year twice as much as you did last year, because obviously last year was ruined by Corona, and obviously we had lots of plans to do like in the summer, and they had to like be spoiled and stuff. And I just hope everyone has a good year, and the people that obviously unfortunately died in lockdown, I hope their families are still okay and you will get through it. Bye.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you